What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The winter 2026 anime season is here, and we've already been hit with a premiere so confident, so visually stunning, that I'm ready to throw it into the anime of the year conversation on day one. I'm talking about Sentenced to Be a Hero. Now, I know what you're thinking. Not another generic fantasy anime. Trust me, this is anything but. Today, I'm giving you a completely spoiler free breakdown of its explosive first episode. We'll talk about its genius premise, why that 58-minute runtime was a masterstroke, and whether it can really keep up this incredible quality. No story spoilers past the initial setup, I promise. Let's dive in. Let's start with the single coolest thing about this show its core concept. Sentenced to Be a Hero takes the classic fantasy trope and completely flips it on its head. In this world, hero isn't a title of glory, it's a punishment for the worst criminals. These penal heroes are forced to fight on the front lines against a terrifying corruption known as the Demon Blight. They're expendable shields for the real army, the Holy Knights. And the cruelest part? Death is no escape. When they fall, they are resurrected and thrown back into the hell of battle over and over. But each resurrection has a cost, chipping away at their memories and sense of self. It's a brilliantly dark setup that creates immediate stakes and asks profound questions about identity and punishment from the very first minute. Now, what does this look like in action? The premiere throws us right into this world alongside our protagonist, Xylo, a seasoned and weary penal hero. Without spoiling anything, the episode's first act is a masterclass in tense, atmospheric world building. We see the brutal hierarchy, the terrifying threat of the Blight, and meet Xylo's fellow hero. The plot kicks into gear with the introduction of a new goddess, and let me tell you, she is an instant scene stealer. She's powerful, regal, and has this hilariously desperate, childlike desire to be praised and helpful. Her dynamic with the deeply skeptical and resistant Xylo is the heart of the episode, a clash of chaotic optimism against hardened trauma. The episode uses its 58-minute movie like runtime perfectly. It's not rushed. It lets the tension breathe, builds its characters through action and sharp dialogue, and delivers on two absolutely spectacular action set pieces that are already among the best animated sequences I've seen this year. Speaking of animation, let's geek out on the presentation. This is a visual triumph. The art style has a detailed, painterly quality that fans of shows like Mushoku Tensei will immediately appreciate. The action is the undeniable highlight. It's fluid, weighty, and creative. The combat styles are uniquely explosive, and the direction makes every clash feel consequential and cinematic. That extended runtime wasn't just for story, it allowed the animators to craft a visual spectacle with a consistently high quality that feels more like a theatrical film than a TV premiere. From the distinct look of the characters to the designs of the creatures, the world feels fully realized and immersively grim. It's no surprise that this stunning debut has already earned an impressive 9.1 out of 10 on IMDb, showing how strongly it's connecting with the early audience. So, final spoiler free thoughts on Sentenced to Be a Hero. This is a phenomenal must watch debut. It combines a brilliantly original and dark premise with top tier cinematic production, instantly compelling character dynamics, and a world rich with mystery. The premiere ends by masterfully setting the stage for a much larger story, a personal quest for truth in a deeply corrupt system. You're left with gripping character questions and a desperate need to see what happens next. Now, about that anime of the year potential. A premiere this strong absolutely puts it in the conversation. It has the unique hook, the artistic merit, and the narrative depth. My only hope, and it's a big one, is that the studio can maintain this breathtaking quality week to week. If they can, we are not just looking at a seasonal hit, we are looking at a potential modern dark fantasy classic. Sentenced to Be a Hero is streaming now on Crunchyroll. Do not sleep on this one. But what did you think? Have you watched the first episode? Are you as hyped as I am? Sound off in the comments below with your spoiler free thoughts. If you enjoyed this first look, Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more anime reviews and breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.